How to add YouTube channel link to Facebook profile. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can add a YouTube channel link to your Facebook profile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, adding a YouTube channel link to Facebook profile is very simple. First of all, we will just go ahead and then copy a certain channel link. Now I'll just choose a random channel. If you have your own channel also, you can go ahead and simply select those channels over here. In this case, I will simply go ahead and then share and then copy the link of a random channel here. Once I have done that, simply open up Facebook, then come to your profile page, then just go to edit profile. Then from edit profile over here, you simply want to scroll to the links tab, tap on edit, then it says add social link, tap on add social link. Then platform, under platform you actually want to select YouTube. Then all you have to do is simply paste the YouTube link over there, and after you've done that, you will be able to simply save the changes right in this case, or you can simply cut out the rest of this and only give your channel ID in that case over here. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically add YouTube channel link to Facebook profile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.